Some RC cars are meant to be played with, and some are so beautiful you're scared to even touch them. Let's find out which one this Lamborghini is. This is the Maybelline Lamborghini RC car. Right away, the box looks premium. You see the car, the remote, and the 1:24 scale clearly mentioned. On the back, country of origin is China. This one's picked from Dubai. Nothing overdone, clean and confident packaging. Let's open it. First thing inside is the instruction manual. Most people skip this, but this one's actually detailed and useful. Sliding the inner box out, everything is neatly arranged. Nothing feels loose or careless. Starting with the remote controller, this looks genuinely premium. The color, the glossy finish, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Left side is forward and reverse, right side is steering. The spring-loaded power switch in the middle is a nice touch. No sharp edges, no awkward clicks. No batteries included here, you will need two AA batteries. Turn it on and the LED starts blinking. Controller is ready. At the bottom of the box, a mini star head screwdriver. That's actually thoughtful because most RC cars have screwed battery compartments. Now, the battery. This is a 500 mAh 3.7 volt rechargeable battery. Charging is simple. Plug it in and the LED turns on instantly. Not fancy but straightforward. And now the main event. Oh wow, this finish is beautiful. At 1:24 scale, this looks like a proper Lamborghini, not a toy. The proportions feel spot on. From the back, those lights look incredible. This honestly feels like something you would keep on a showcase. The mirrors are rubberized, the windows don't feel flimsy, the paint finish is smooth and premium. White tires, carbon fiber style elements, even the exhaust detailing looks clean. Underneath, you've got the steering mechanism, power button and battery compartment. Front wheels do turn, but the turning radius is limited, so this isn't made for super tight indoor racing. Plugging the battery in, tucking it neatly inside and closing it up. Moment of truth. It's on. No dramatic lights at first. Whoa, the power is immediate. I can't even test this on the table. It's too strong. Time to put it on the ground. And yes, headlights turn on when moving forward. In low light, this looks stunning. On this surface, it's slipping and drifting, which honestly makes it more fun. The motor feels strong, acceleration is quick, it never feels underpowered. This is where the real question comes in. Is this a toy or a display model? Because it looks too good to crash. I would be very gentle with this one. If you're a car enthusiast or looking for a premium gift, this absolutely works. Beautiful design, strong motor, solid build. I'm genuinely impressed. If you enjoyed this unboxing, do like, share and subscribe. It really helps me bring more content like this. Thanks for watching.